Hello, this is Did. Amon Goth is a World War II German officer. His 1/6 scale action figure is available now. Let's take a look at what's included and how to assemble him. The head sculpt is incredibly lifelike, with a firm and serious expression that vividly portrays the disregard and indifference to life. He wears an M36 tunic with shoulder boards, a UNTE or STU or MFH or ER collar tab on the left side, and a collar tab on the right side. Across the chest is an Iron Cross ribbon. On the left chest is a ribbon bar, Third Reich period WHW SAR donation badge, and a DRL silver sports badge. Sleeve eagle. The tunic features hidden snap buttons with cuff title. The breeches has two real pockets on the sides, with the adjustable waistband and Velcro. Genuine leather jackboots with detailed soles. German officer genuine leather greatcoat. Features real buttons with real pockets on both sides, and adjustable real buttons on the back. Genuine leather belt with an adjustable shoulder strap. Genuine left German officer visor cap. Mannlicher. Schonauer rifle is made of metal and with a movable trigger, and a bolt that can be pulled back to load bullets. It comes with a leather adjustable gun strap and a sight with a real lens. Additionally, there's a P08 pistol with an openable bolt. The gun body has an weathering finish, and the bottom magazine can be removed, revealing bullets inside. A black genuine leather holster is included for the P08 pistol. Watch with a genuine leather strap. Wine bottle. Goblet. 2 pairs of palm, with detailed textures and veins painted. A pair of gray gloves. 2 cigarettes for rank stars, and 2 silver rank stars. This action figure is finely crafted with rich accessories. Next, let's assemble Amon Goth together. Hurry up and add the 1/6 scale World War II German officer Amon Goth to your German Army collection.